All right, today we're reviewing the Canva Photo easel for heavy-duty cameras. It can support up to 20 pounds of camera and audio equipment on it. And the reason you might consider something like this, there's several reasons. As you can see, it's extremely heavy duty. So if you're using one of those really cheap, lightweight camera stands, you're gonna have a lot of risk with your expensive equipment. This is gonna be much more sturdy, much more stable. The other thing about this too is if you've got that heavy equipment, you're going to be able to move your camera around if you've got a camera person without the camera pod tilting and moving around if it's too lightweight. It weighs 9 pounds, but it's very sturdy so that you get good smooth action with the camera. The legs are really beefy with wide pads that also can tilt as well. So if you're on uneven surfaces, it'll still have the stability. It's very easy to replace your camera equipment, and you have 2 of these pads here. So if you have different cameras, you can pre-attach the pads, very easily slide it in, lock it into position, and you're ready to go. Also easy to quick release it if you're just going to use the camera by hand for some shots. All right, one other special feature about this is this camera stand actually will increase in height up to 74 inches. That's more than 6 feet tall. We're going to go ahead and extend this all the way. All right, there we have the stand at 74 inches. One of the things I plan on using this for is for my automotive channel. This is the first camera stand I've had where I can film the engine bay of a full-size SUV or truck. We're going to go ahead and give you an idea of the view here. This is a view that the normal camera stand would show, but let's put this on the 74-inch stand. From the 74-inch stand, you can see it's way higher, gives a much bigger field of view. Really, really awesome camera stand. Camera stand folds up for easy storage like this. And we'll loosen the legs up, push them down into position. Like that. And then we can store it in the carrying case that comes with your kit here. Thank you to the brand for sending this product to us for review. Then you can put the shoulder strap over and you can take it where you need to go.